Hi, my name is Rachel Kashmira, anak perempuan Senthil Kumar. My matrix number is 01DDT23F1134. So for today, me and my team member will be presenting our case study. In this first step, we begin by installing Linux Debian 12 in our virtual machine box. During the installation process, Debian automatically sets up the base operating system as shown by the progress bar. Once the installation was completed, the system booted, and the first thing we did was update the system using the command prompt sudo apt update. The message all packages are up to date confirms that the system is fully updated. This ensures that all software installed next will be compatible, secure and stable. Next, we proceeded to install the OpenSSH server, which allows remote management and automations through SSH. So we used the command sudo apt install -y OpenSSH.server. The terminal output shows the SSH package being downloaded, unpacked and configured. Once we installed, we check the service status with sudo systemctl status SSH. The output clearly shows loaded, the SSH services is installed, active running, meaning the SSH is working correctly. Enabled, it will automatically start the boot listening on port 22, which is the default SSH port. So for the step 3, we prepared a dedicated directories to store all the backup files. We created the folder and adjusted the permission using sudo chmod 777/backup, sudo chown directory name /backup, sudo chmod 755/backup. Here is what each step means. Chmod 777/backup means temporarily allows all users full access, which is read, write and execute. Chown directory name /backup transfers directory ownership to my user. Chmod 755/backup reduces permission back to secure normal mode. This ensures we have the correct ownership to run scripts easily while maintaining system security. For step 4, we created the shell script file, which is backup.sh. In fourth step, we created a new file, my backup script, which is the command prompt we used is nano /backup.sh. After writing the script, we ran ./backup.sh and then check the backup directory. The command prompt is ls-l/backup. At this point, our backup directory now contains the generated .tar.gz backup file. This step verifies that the script is working correctly, able to run without errors, producing the expected backup output. So for the fifth step is the backup script that we executed in the backup.h platform. So the purpose of the script and variables we entered is it's actually automatically generates a unique file name based on the current date and time and stores logs in a central log file. This creates a compressed .tar.gz archive of the /etc directory, which contains critical system configuration files. So the script then checks if the backup was successfully using an if-else condition. If successful, write success managed to /var/log/backup.log. If failed, it writes error message and send an email alert to the root user. This script automates backup creation, logging and failure notification, a complete mini backup system that can later be scheduled with cron by daily backups.
So next, after I creating the backup sh script, I set the correct permission using chmod plus x, so the file can be executed as a program. Then I install the mail utils, which is a package that allows the systems to send email notification. This ensures the server can be alert administrator whenever backups exit or fail. So here I open the cron scheduler using cron tab E. So cron is used to automate tasks. I selected Nano as the editor and added a line to run my backup script every 5 minutes. This means the server will automatically create a fresh backup at a regular interval without needing a manual execution. I manually tested the backup by running the script. The output showed the backup file created correctly. Inside the backup uh, file created correctly inside the backup directory with a timestamp. So then I tested the email notification by sending a sample message using the mail command to confirm that email system is working. So finally, I simulated a failed backup to confirm that error notification system works. The log file show both successful and failed entries. So when the backup fails, the script write backup failed to the log file and automatically send an email alert to the root user. This proof our error handling on monitoring system is working correctly.